Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to upgrade credit card account, full guide step by step clearly. To log into your upgrade credit card account, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the upgrade website URL and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to be redirected to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, type in your password associated with your upgrade account. After entering your credentials, double-check to ensure they are correct. If you want to stay logged in for future visits, you may select the Remember Me option, if available. When you're ready, click on the login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the prompts to input your email and receive instructions on resetting your password. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from Upgrade. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the login page. Enter your email address and new password in the respective fields. Click on the login button once again to access your account. If you encounter any issues during the login process, consider contacting Upgrade customer support for assistance. Now you should be logged in and ready to manage your Upgrade credit card account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.